Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Easy Talk English, the channel where learning English is easy, fun, and real. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Jake. Hey, everyone. So happy you are here today.
How are you doing today, Jake?
I'm doing great, Sarah. Actually, I'm a little bit tired. I woke up very early this morning.
Oh, no. What time?
5:30.
5:30? Wow, that is early, Jake.
I know, I know. My cat jumped on my face. That was my alarm clock today.
Your cat. Oh, that is so funny. What is your cat's name?
His name is Biscuit.
Biscuit. That is such a cute name.
He is cute, but not at 5:30 in the morning.
Okay. Poor Jake. Well, I hope you have a good coffee this morning.
I had 2 coffees. I'm okay now.
Good. 2 coffees. That is the answer. Okay, everyone. Before we start today, we have a small request.
Yes, if you like this podcast, this video, please click the like button, the little thumbs up. Click it right now.
Yes, please. And subscribe to Easy Talk English. Subscribing helps us so much. It tells YouTube, hey, this channel is good.
And it is good.
It is. We work very hard for you, so please subscribe. It is free and it helps us make more videos.
And share this video with a friend. Do you know someone who is learning English? Send them this video. Share the love.
Share the love. I like that, Jake. Okay, are you ready for today's topic?
I am ready. What are we talking about today?
Today, we are talking about childhood.
Oh, childhood. I love this topic.
Yes, your childhood. When you were a child, when you were young, your memories, your life when you were little.
This is a beautiful topic.
It is, and it is also very useful because in English, people love to talk about childhood. They ask you, where did you grow up? Or what were you like as a child?
Oh, yes. People ask me that a lot.
Right? So today, we will give you the words, we will give you the sentences, and we will give you real examples from our real lives.
Real stories. I like real stories.
Me too. Okay, let's start with the most basic question. Where did you grow up?
Okay. I grew up in a small town, a very small town in Ohio.
Ohio. Nice. Was it a very small town?
Very small. Everybody knew everybody. Like, if I did something bad at school, my mom already knew when I got home.
Oh no, no secrets in a small town.
Zero secrets. Zero. My neighbor, Mrs. Peterson, she knew everything. She was like a news channel.
A news channel. That's so funny. Okay, so let's look at this sentence. I grew up in a small town. Say it slowly, everyone. I grew up in a small town.
Grew up. This means I was a child there. I became big there. I became an adult there. I grew up there.
Yes, grow up. This is a very important phrase. For example, I grew up in the city, or I grew up near the ocean, or I grew up in a big family.
Big family. Did you grow up in a big family?
Yes, very big. I have 4 brothers and 1 sister.
Wow, 6 children?
6 children, yes.
Your house was loud?
So loud, so loud. Always somebody talking, always somebody fighting, always somebody eating.
Always somebody eating. I love that.
My mom was always cooking. She was in the kitchen all day. She is like a superhero.
She really is. 6 kids. Okay, so I grew up in a big family. Everyone, say that. I grew up in a big family. Or I grew up with my grandparents. Or I grew up alone. I'm an only child.
Good examples. Now, let's talk about what you were like as a child. What were you like when you were young?
I was very shy.
Shy?
Very shy. Very quiet. I didn't talk very much at school.
Really? Because now you talk a lot.
I know, I changed. But when I was young, I was quiet. I like to read. I like to be alone. I like to draw pictures.
Aw, that is so sweet. So you can say, when I was young, I was shy. Or when I was a child, I was very quiet.
Yes, when I was young. This is a very useful phrase. When I was young, I loved cartoons. When I was young, I had a bicycle.
When I was young, I was the opposite of you.
Really? You were not shy?
No, I was very loud, very energetic, always running, always talking, always laughing. My dad called me Little Tornado.
Little tornado. That is perfect.
Yes, I was a tornado. I broke many things in the house, not on purpose.
Of course not.
Okay, so when I was young, I was, you can say, shy, quiet, energetic, funny, serious, naughty.
Naughty. Ooh. What does naughty mean?
Naughty means a little bit bad, a little bit troublemaker.
Ah, I know some naughty children.
Were you naughty?
Sometimes. A little bit.
A little bit?
Okay. One time, I put a frog in my sister's backpack.
A frog?
A small frog. It was funny for me, not for my sister.
I think not.
She screamed so loud the whole neighborhood heard.
That is so bad. So, so bad.
I know, I was not a perfect child.
Okay, okay. So when you were naughty, what did your parents say?
My dad said, "Come here." And when your dad says, "Come here" in that voice, you know it is not good.
Oh, yes. We all know that voice. Every child knows that voice.
That voice.
Okay, let's talk about where you lived. Did you live in a house or an apartment?
A house. A small white house with a big yard.
Oh, a yard. Nice.
Yes, I loved the yard. In summer, I played outside all day. I climbed trees. I rode my bicycle. I played with my friends in the street.
That sounds amazing.
It was. It was a happy time. No phone, no internet, just playing.
Ah, I miss that. Life was simple then.
Very simple. And you? Did you have a house?
We had an apartment on the fifth floor.
Fifth floor with 6 kids?
Fifth floor with 6 kids, yes. It was very small, very crowded, but it was home. It was warm. I have good memories.
That is beautiful. Home doesn't have to be big. It just has to be home.
Exactly. Well said. So, everyone, you can say, I grew up in a house, or I lived in an apartment, or we had a small house with a garden, or I shared a room with my brother.
Oh, shared a room. Did you share a room?
I shared a room with 2 sisters.
2. Was it okay?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no. My sister, Maria, she always touched my things, my books, my clothes, my toys.
Ah, the classic little sister problem.
So classic. But now I love her very much. Now we're best friends.
That is how it works.
Yes, when you are children, you fight. When you grow up, you love each other.
Beautiful. Okay, let's talk about school. School is a big part of childhood.
Yes, very important. Did you like school?
I liked some parts. I liked art class. I liked reading, but I did not like math.
Oh no, math was hard.
Math was very, very hard for me. Numbers, they were like a foreign language.
A foreign language. I understand that.
I tried, but not my best subject.
What was your best subject?
History. I loved history. Old stories, old people, old places.
That is interesting. Okay, so you can say, my favorite subject was, or I was good at, or I was not very good at.
I was not very good at math. True story.
My favorite subject was English, of course.
Of course.
And art. I loved painting. My teacher, Mrs. Williams, she always said, you have a big imagination.
That is a great compliment.
I loved her. She was kind, she was funny, she made class feel like fun, not work.
A good teacher changes everything.
Everything. If you have a good teacher, you love the subject.
I had a great English teacher too, Mr. Dixon. He read stories out loud to the class. His voice was like, it was a dark and stormy night.
Very dramatic.
Very, but we all listened. Nobody talked. Everyone was quiet and listening.
That is the power of a good story.
Yes. Okay, let's talk about hobbies. What did you like to do when you were a child?
I loved playing outside. I played with my neighbors. We played hide and seek.
Oh, hide and seek, classic.
Classic. I was very good. I had one secret hiding spot behind the big tree in the yard. Nobody ever found me.
Haha, your secret spot.
My secret spot. I loved it. And I loved drawing and reading books. I read so many books as a child.
What kind of books?
Adventure books, stories about animals, stories about brave girls who go on adventures. I wanted to be that girl.
And now look at you. You are brave. You have a YouTube channel.
Oh, that is an adventure.
What about food? Did you have a favorite food as a child?
Oh, yes, my mom's macaroni and cheese. Homemade, not from a box. Real homemade.
Oh, homemade mac and cheese. That sounds amazing.
It was the best food in the world. When I smell it now, I think of home. I think of my mom's kitchen. I think of being 5 years old.
Food does that. Food brings back memories.
Yes, it is like a time machine.
For me, it is my grandmother's apple pie. Every Sunday she made apple pie. The whole house smelled so good.
That sounds wonderful.
It was. I can still smell it, even now, even after all these years.
Some memories stay with you forever.
They do. Okay, so everyone, you can say, my favorite food as a child was, or my mom always made, or I remember eating every Sunday.
Beautiful sentences. Very natural. Okay, one more topic before we finish. Pets. Did you have a pet as a child?
Oh, yes, I had a dog. His name was Rocky.
Rocky. Was he a big dog?
Big and fluffy and always happy. Every day I came home from school, Rocky was at the door, jumping, excited, like, you're home, you're home.
Dogs are the best welcome home.
The absolute best. I loved Rocky so much. He slept on my bed every night.
Oh, that is so sweet. Did you have a pet? We had a fish.
A fish?
A small orange fish. His name was Goldie.
Goldie the fish.
Yes, with 6 kids in the apartment, my mom said no cats, no dogs, too noisy, too messy.
Practical mom.
Very practical. So we had Goldie. And we all loved Goldie.
That is sweet. Love is love, even for a fish.
Even for a fish, exactly. Okay, everyone, let's review what we learned today.
Review. Good idea.
We talked about where you grew up. I grew up in a small town. I grew up in a big city. I grew up near the beach.
We talked about your family. I have 3 brothers. I am an only child. I shared a room with my sister.
We talked about what you were like as a child. When I was young, I was shy. When I was young, I was very energetic.
We talked about school. My favorite subject I was good at. I had a wonderful teacher named.
We talked about hobbies. I loved playing outside. I liked reading books. My favorite game was hide and seek.
And food and pets. My favorite food was my mom's. I had a dog named. We had a fish named Goldie.
Goldie. Never forget Goldie.
Never, never forget Goldie.
Okay, everyone, these sentences are simple, but they are powerful. When you talk about your childhood in English, people listen, people connect with you, because everyone has a childhood. Everyone has memories, and when you share yours, you make friends.
That is so true. Language is not just grammar. Language is connection.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
So practice today. After this video, write 3 sentences in English about your childhood. Where did you grow up? What were you like as a child? What was your favorite thing to do?
Write those 3 sentences in the comments below. We will read them, we promise.
We love reading your comments. It makes us so happy.
And it's great practice for you.
Yes, writing in English is also training. Writing, speaking, listening, all training, all good.
Okay, one last request, everyone. If you enjoyed this video today, please click the like button
Click, 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 and subscribe to Easy Talk English.
and share this with a friend. Do you know someone who is learning English? Send this video. Tell them this channel is great.
Because it is great.
It is.
We try very hard for you. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you for spending your time with us.
Your time is precious. We know that. Thank you for giving some of it to us today.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye. Take care.